Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Hello, good
Hello,
afternoon.
good afternoon.
Uh, yeah, sorry. So we got late today. Uh, I'll start quickly. Just give me a minute. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So hello everyone. Welcome to the Credible Community Call. We are running this call under Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust. We follow antitrust policy, and all the contributors are welcome here. We'll see the quick updates from the previous weeks. So, previous 2 weeks, I guess, because on in one week we, due to holidays, we have dropped the call, and we'll see the updates for the releases. Okay, and then maybe we can discuss on the further plan, and if we have any issues we can discuss. So let me just open the um, okay. So we have completed the last sprint on August 29. So basically, we are mostly working on the stabilizing the development which we have done for the studio. That is migration of Next.js to sorry S2JS to Next.js. Um, then the testing is being like almost completed, but there are few issues which we are working on for the code quality. Apart from that, we are working on the OID for VC and VP related features. So mostly, I guess Tipu is working on it for the issuer and issuance session APIs. So that is like a high level updates. And if I go to the specific, just a minute, we'll go one by one. So for the platform, uh, we have almost created the PRs related, and we have merged everything to QA, which we want to merge to main. Just a minute. Okay. So I guess TB is working on some of the issues related to Sonar. Um My screen is getting hang. Mm, sorry, it's not loading properly. Am I audible properly to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, you're audible.
yes, you are.
Yeah, so some of the sonar related issues we have, so those needs to be fixed. This is on the platform. Similarly, we need to fix the front end issues as well for Credible. So here also, if you can see, sync dev to QA for SonarCube issues, I guess. So here also, I guess we are facing some sonar related issues. Um, so we need to fix those. So basically, overall, mostly those issues we are fixing in few days, and we need to release. So. um our plan is to mostly we fix the issue today, and maybe if all is good, we can go live on tomorrow, I mean release tomorrow for the all the Credible repositories, studio platform, as well as the Credo controller, right? Just one thing I wanted to update you all, that uh, once this release goes or to the main, I mean, if once we merge everything to main, then going forward we need to, I mean, what we are doing currently is we are treating develop branch to like fix the issues, to have the new features, and then merge it to QA. And like for us, for Anworks, we have the QA environment for the testers, right, to test. Um, so for community, I guess that we need to have the main branch updated to with the latest code. So we'll treat this main branch as a develop branch, so that everyone can contribute to this main branch. So whenever we need to have new feature or any new issues to be fixed, we will create the branch from the main, and then we'll directly merge to the main itself. Okay. And for every PR merge, or let's say we can have a separate tagging mechanism. So we can merge 2 or 3 PRs, and we can create the tags, and we can like have the release progressively, and we can have that deployed on our environment, so that we can test. And that is for our like internal. But for the community, we will have the like everything to be merged to main branch, so that every external contributor wants to contribute, they can contribute and test their functionality and use it in their system. And after certain features, I mean whatever we decide in the plan, then maybe we can use the main branch itself to create the tags and release in the release the product Credible packages. Okay. So do we have any doubt here? I mean, this is what we will be doing after this release. So we have the current release is v 2.0.3, and we are going to release 2.1.0. Okay. After that, all the changes we will do in the mean itself. So this will be applicable for all uh, platform, studio, controller, whatever repositories we have under Credible will be treated as same. Okay. This also applicable to mobile SDK. Um, Okay. Yeah, this is what I guess from my side, from the team. Do we have anything specific?
Hello. I
Yes,
think on
Priyanka.
this branching part, there are few PRs that contributors have, so they have to update, sync their branch with the main, and then whatever conflicts will be
Mm-hmm.
there have to resolve, and then we have to like few of the PRs we have already reviewed, and few PRs are pending to review. So for validations and everything. So I think after that we can, after this release, we can review those PRs and merge those as well.
Do we are you mention? Do you have any specific PRs where we can have look into it?
Yes, there are like there are few PRs which are from like external contributors to have um, validation, like DTO validation and everything.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, that we will we need to consider whether if those PRs are useful, then definitely we can like merge those, and otherwise, if there are no updates after some of the implementation, then we'll have to tell them to create a new branch from that main branch and seeing their changes.
Yes.
So. Um, okay. Anything else? I mean, anybody has any doubts in that, or any issues if they can think that might come?
So, Wrinkle, on the branching suggestion that you gave,
Hmm.
that we'll be following that from the next release, right? From the next
Hmm.
print.
Yes.
So, do we have any do we have any guidance for the community to look at it and understand like how things will work, how different
Um,
scenarios? Uh,
yes, we have the document, but I'll have to check whether it's fully completed or it's in a draft state. But yes, we have designed that document. And
okay.
ideally, I mean, in general case, this is what the like normally everyone does. They contribute to the main branch. So it will be
Yeah.
easy for them. It will be just for us to have some the migration, or we can say a different approach to implement the features. So,
Right.
but definitely we'll have that document so that everyone, us and external contributors, be on same page.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, including the contributors which are like existing experienced one and new contributors who are completely new to open source. For
Hmm.
both of them, it would be easy to have some guidance.
Yes, yes. So one will have the branching and one will have the some tagging mechanism, so that if anyone wants to deploy to their environment, or let's say in our environment, we can use the tags and deploy the uh, features.
Okay,
Um,
perfect. Are there any
yes.
release related announcement we are doing?
Yes, so we just gave the updates that we have some sonar related issues, some code quality related issues. So team needs to fix that. If every issues are fixed today, maybe we can release tomorrow. So
Okay,
that's what the current update.
all right, perfect. Uh,
And yes.
yeah. I have one more question about mentorship. Maybe Ankita and Tipu can share some updates for the community. Like, where are we on the mentorship part of it?
Okay. Uh, so like as we discussed earlier, like I tried to like share the details about the credible, but like first we choose to start writing test cases for issuance service, but I think like he's not able to like write the correct test cases, so like we need to review that once, like how we can go forward.
Okay. Have we responded to LFDT? Um,
Yes. There is one
okay.
form to submit, so I submit that, and like I think we need to respond with an email as well regarding this. So the email part is remaining.
Sure. Okay.
For the unikernels, there is one more project that we added for unikernels to implement it in unikernels. So directly, like the Unicraft we tried to use, right? So we had like one of our mentee, Ramesh, got in touch with the maintainer of Unicraft project as well.
Mhm.
So one of the implementation is to OSV. There is another called OSV. So that we can use instead of Unicraft, because Unicraft still has some issues with Node.js implementation.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are few other things that we were reading out, that the Go and C++ applications are more like generally used, and performance-wise, unikernels give more uh, performance improvements for those applications. And the compatibility is more for Go and C++, but we are still trying with the OSV uh, instead of Unicraft. So actually, TypeScript is having issues when we implement TypeScript. That has issue with implementing in unikernels. He is working on that part instead of Unicraft, using any other project.
OSD. Okay.
Yes.
So
And
for
yes, I also shared the form, the midterm evaluation form for both the mentees. Haven't responded on email,
Okay.
but filled up, shared that form with LFTTT.
so are we on track
Perfect.
for
Thanks.
that project, Ankita?
Actually, unikernels, like we are facing issue in deploying the application on unikernel itself.
Mhm.
We are not on track, but we are trying different approaches on how uh, we can improve the performance, or what are the other projects that are supported.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Because with this the project which Tipu mentions, there we like don't see any much I can say work done on that side. That's why. Okay.
I think we can connect with the mentee who is working on the other project if there are some issues with the scenarios, or we can start with simple test cases as well.
I guess we have started with the simple only with the schema.
Okay.
Yeah, I think there is like issue with like his understanding. Like he's trying to mock the entire function and try to pass the static value, and writing the test case in a such way so like it's not our expected uh, thing. Like we need to call the actual function and pass the actual value to the function, and we need to test the specific function. So and I convey this uh, like we had already set up Credible locally and tried to test all the things locally, and like all the flows like issuance and connection and schemas.
Okay. All right. Okay. Anything else?
No, I think nothing from my side. Good.
Nothing from my side. Let's gear up for the
Mm.
quiz.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.